How to get rid of skin fungus white spots. Natural ways to get rid of various kinds of white spots on your skin. In this video you can find some easy home remedies to get rid of white spots on your skin and restore your original color. Pound down 500 grams of fresh turmeric and soak it in 8 kilograms water overnight. In the morning, heat the mixture, reducing it to 1 kilogram water. Strain this out and mix with 500 grams of mustard oil. Heat this mixture further to evaporate the remaining water. You will now be left with a pure mustard oil and turmeric mixture. Like turmeric, neem is also a good antifungal and antibacterial agent that can work against fungal white spots. It has also been used to treat vitiligo. In one study, 4G neem leaves were given to test subjects thrice a day, before mealtimes. This regimen was followed by people with vitiligo for a year. A herbal cream with neem was also used, though other research indicates that neem leaves can work perfectly fine on their own. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, made by fermentation of apple cider, works in a manner similar to probiotics that increase the abundance of good bacteria in your gut. It helps break down and digest food better, too. Take it about half an hour, or even an hour, before you eat. Simply sip on 1/3 of a teaspoon of ACV without swallowing. Slosh it around in your mouth for 60 seconds and swallow. Basil juice can act as an antifungal, killing fungi spores responsible for discoloration. Tulsi or holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, is a naturopathic and traditional Ayurvedic remedy for white spots due to leucoderma. Another traditional folk remedy for vitiligo involves radish seeds. This is believed to help regenerate melanin in the affected area. Simply make a powder of 25 g dry seeds. Add 2 tbs vinegar to form a paste. Apply it on the white patches. Once the paste dries, wash it away and pat the skin dry. Zeta Clear is a combination product designed to treat fungus of the fingernails and toenails. A topical solution rich in plant oils works externally on the nail fungus, while a homeopathic remedy heals internally. If you are committed to results and maximizing your potential, click the link below.